A piece of cake. Something very easy to do. Very easy, like eating cake. A piece of cake. To have cold feet. To suddenly become nervous or hesitant before an important event or decision. To have cold feet. Rat race. A situation where people feel like they're running in circles due to intense competition and little rest. Rat race. Rock the boat. Shaking things up by questioning or opposing established norms. Rock the boat. Over the moon. Experiencing extreme joy or satisfaction. Over the moon. Pull someone's leg. Playing a harmless trick on someone and teasing for fun. Pull someone's leg. Spill the beans. Unintentionally divulging secrets or revealing hidden information. Spill the beans. Take with a grain of salt. To view something with skepticism or not to take it too seriously. Take with a grain of salt. Red herring. A distraction that diverts attention from the main issue, preventing understanding of the real problems. Red herring. Shoot the breeze. To engage in aimless and casual conversation. Shoot the breeze.